Welcome back to Auto Info Master. Today, we're reviewing something truly exciting for travel and adventure lovers, the brand new 2026 Toyota Motorhome. Toyota has long been known for producing reliable, efficient, and versatile vehicles, and now they've brought that same engineering excellence into the motorhome segment with a futuristic, family-friendly RV built for comfort, technology, and long-distance travel. In this video, we'll take you on a complete tour of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome, covering its design, features, driving performance, and pricing details. Let's get started. Starting from the outside, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome impresses with a design that blends rugged functionality with aerodynamic elegance. Unlike the boxy shapes we typically see in traditional RVs, this model features a sleeker, modern silhouette, thanks to wind tunnel-tested contours, flush-mounted LED headlights, and a sculpted front end that reflects Toyota's latest design language. The wide grille up front features active shutters for improved airflow and fuel efficiency, while signature LED daytime running lights add a distinctive touch. The body is made using high-strength lightweight aluminum and composite panels, reducing weight without sacrificing durability. The large panoramic windshield offers a commanding view of the road, while oversized side mirrors come with built-in blind spot cameras for added safety. The side profile features integrated storage compartments, an electric retractable awning, and large tinted windows that provide privacy and UV protection. Optional solar panels on the roof help power the onboard electronics, making this RV more sustainable and off-grid capable. At the rear, the taillights follow a full-width horizontal LED strip layout, giving the back end a clean, modern finish. Rear-mounted cameras and parking sensors are integrated seamlessly for easy maneuvering, even in tighter camping spots. Stepping inside, you're immediately welcomed into a space that feels more like a smart home than a typical RV. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome features a bright, airy interior designed with minimalist Japanese styling and maximum functionality. High-quality materials such as vegan leather, soft-touch plastics, and wood-grain finishes are used throughout the cabin, creating a cozy yet upscale vibe. Ambient LED lighting can be adjusted for different moods, and skylights allow natural light to flood in during the day. The front cab area is equipped with ergonomic captain chairs for the driver and passenger, both of which rotate 180 degrees to face the main living space when parked. The dashboard features a massive 15-inch central touchscreen running Toyota's latest infotainment software with built-in navigation, real-time weather, traffic updates, and voice control. A heads-up display shows essential information like speed, navigation prompts, and driver alerts directly on the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road. Behind the cab is the main lounge area, which includes a U-shaped sofa with integrated storage, a foldable dining table, and a 50-inch retractable smart TV paired with a surround sound system. The entire space can be converted into an additional sleeping area at night. The kitchen is well equipped for long journeys, featuring an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, a full-size refrigerator with freezer, a water purifier, and ample cabinet space. Countertops are made from durable composite material that's easy to clean and heat-resistant. The bathroom section is surprisingly spacious, featuring a standing shower with glass door, a modern vanity with LED mirror, and a water-saving ceramic toilet. There's even a compact washer-dryer unit installed in the bathroom area, making extended travel more convenient than ever. At the rear of the motorhome, you'll find the master bedroom with a queen-size bed, underbed storage, overhead cabinets, individual reading lights, and USB charging ports on both sides. The room is pre-wired for a second TV and includes blackout curtains and climate controls for added privacy and comfort. When it comes to performance, Toyota has built this motorhome on a reinforced version of its proven truck platform. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine paired with an advanced ECVT system. The combined output is rated at around 400 horsepower, which offers more than enough grunt to handle steep inclines, highways, and towing. The hybrid system not only provides better fuel economy than traditional gas-only RVs, but also allows for silent idling and reduced emissions, which is especially useful in national parks or quiet campgrounds. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome also features all-wheel drive, which ensures confident handling in various terrains and weather conditions. Adaptive suspension helps keep the ride smooth over rough roads, while hill descent control and traction assist make off-road camping an option for more adventurous owners. With a towing capacity of around 6,500 pounds, this motorhome is more than capable of bringing along a trailer, boat, or additional gear. Fuel economy is rated at approximately 18 miles per gallon combined, which is excellent for a vehicle of this size and capability. On the tech side, the Toyota Motorhome doesn't hold back. It includes Toyota's latest Safety Sense package with adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, and pedestrian detection. Multiple cameras provide a 360-degree surround view for parking and driving assistance. There's also a dedicated mobile app that lets you monitor battery status, control climate settings, check tank levels, and even start the generator remotely. Wi-Fi connectivity and multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin ensure everyone stays connected on the road. A standout feature of this motorhome is the Smart Auto Leveling System. When parked, it automatically adjusts the suspension to level the vehicle, making it easier to cook, sleep, and relax. Additionally, it comes with a built-in air purification system, climate zones, and noise-dampening insulation, turning your RV into a quiet and clean sanctuary even in noisy or dusty environments. In terms of storage, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome includes over 90 cubic feet of onboard space with intelligently placed compartments for outdoor gear, clothes, food, and tools. The underbelly is fully enclosed and heated, which means this RV is winter-ready and suitable for four-season camping. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The base version of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome starts at around $185,000, which is very competitive given the level of equipment, efficiency, and reliability Toyota offers. A mid-trim model with extended battery capacity, solar roof, and upgraded tech package is priced at approximately $215,000. The fully loaded luxury trim, including premium interior materials, full off-grid capability, and advanced automation features, tops out at around $245,000. Toyota is also offering a factory-backed extended service plan for up to 10 years, making ownership more worry-free. So, whether you're a weekend explorer, a full-time RVer, or someone looking to transition into a more flexible, mobile lifestyle, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome provides the perfect mix of comfort, technology, and efficiency. It's built with the legendary reliability that Toyota is known for, wrapped in a package that feels both modern and future-ready. With smart design choices, impressive performance, and thoughtful amenities, this is one of the best motorhomes we've seen in its class. That's it for our full review of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to Auto Infomaster, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you take this Toyota on your next adventure? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.